Georgie Bat, coming out to play. Georgie Bat, what will he do today? Today, Georgie's going to get wet. Shall we find out how? Oh, Georgie, are you going to get wet with the glass of water? No, you're going to drink the glass of water, Georgie. Oh, what's this, Georgie? Are you going to get wet in the fountain? No, Georgie, you're not going to get wet in the fountain. You're just going to watch the fountain. Oh, Georgie, are you going to get wet in the puddle? No, you're not going to get wet in the puddle. You're just going to watch the reflections in the puddle. Oh, Georgie, are you going to get wet in the river? No, you're not going to get wet in the river. You're just going to watch the river. Oh, a duck. Oh, and there's Georgie in the bath. Are you going to get wet in the bath, Georgie? Yes, of course you're going to get wet in the bath with the ducks. Georgie Bat had fun getting wet today. I wonder if you'll get wet today. Bye! Georgie Bat, coming out to play. Georgie Bat, what will he do today?